welcome back. Hey, welcome back, family. Hey, and if you're new to this channel, my name is Amber, and on this channel, we review fragrances and body care, and we sip a little tea from here and there. Yo, sis may go left, but that's okay. Just subscribe, give me the thumbs up, comment down below. I would love to get to know you and meet you. And hey, family, hey, I hope you all are doing well. Hey, new family, I see y'all coming in. I hope you all are doing really well. Well, let's get into it, honey. I cannot believe it is September. We have made it this year. It's just flying by. Soon we're going to be in Thanksgiving season. Christmas season is coming up. Do you all have your list? Did you get your list from your kids? I just want to know, did the list come yet? Ooh, girl, because this list, my child tried it, but this is a long list. Anyway, well, I am so excited that this is my September transitional fragrance tray. I love to dip into some spring, some summer, some clean, right? Because I'm also going back into the gym. So we got some clean fragrances on here, some warm spicy. We have quite a few different fragrances on this tray, but I love this season because it can be that big, beautiful fruit bowl of fragrances that you can wear on your body for the month, okay? Because we go into hot season, cold season. Honey, it's just fickle weather, you know what I'm saying? So that's the type of tray we got. So let's get into some of the fragrances on my September transitional tray. First up, we have MFK Gentle Fluidity Gold. If you know, you know. This is a vanilla powdery musk, but sweet. I feel like this is like traditional or foundational fall or really all season type of fragrance. This has juniper berries. We have nutmeg, coriander, vanilla's in this, caramel. This fragrance can go for any type of event, any type of thing you are doing in this season and more. Like if you want to just go out, but you want to smell put together. I feel like, again, this is like foundational. Maybe you haven't gotten to get this in your fragrance wardrobe, but I feel like you have heard about this, or maybe it's on a wish list, or maybe it's on a wish list to smell. Yeah, it is that good. If you're looking for a beautiful, luxury, warm hug, look no further than Gentle Fluidity Gold. Next up, we have two fragrances that are certainly beautiful, easy reach fragrances. If you work from home, I would highly suggest these. Kind of a deep, fruity fragrance, especially for this season. But you have black tulip. We've talked about this before. It has plum, pink pepper, black cherry, okay? And then you have the beautiful, dynamic, but little, because it's in a little bottle, but we have Cherry Ambition, and this Seven Virtues fragrance is again another cherry but warm, spicy type of fragrance. It has a softness. So while black tulip has this dark cherry Ambition is like cherry, pink peppers in it as well. We have saffron, and we also have like vanilla, amber, frankincense. We have some woody, some Gaiac wood, amber in this. So I love both of these. These are both cherry fragrances that I do enjoy for the fall season. They don't last like all day, every day for, 48 hours. It's not going to do that for you. But when I say for easy reach, quick grab and go, it does what it needs to do. And these are both beautiful cherry fragrances that serve a purpose, and I'm so glad to have it on my transitional tray for the fall season. Next up, we have two fruity fragrances that are dynamic and like, honey, just beautiful. Okay, so first we have Mango Skin. This is such a beautiful fragrance. This fragrance is not new to my channel, not at all. If you are looking for a realistic mango fragrance, this is your fragrance, okay? This is kind of like my farewell to summer fragrance, my last hurrah, if I can say. I am going to miss her so much, but it just gives you the real essence of mango and the mango skin. It's so good. Anyway, then we have Peach Arum, and this is from Navitus in partnership with Sharita M. This fragrance to me is like your fruity, delicious fragrance. Spicy, warm peach, but for the fall and winter season. I am so happy to have this on my transitional tray. I feel like I haven't given her much love, and I just haven't felt like I was in the season to even really give her much love, to be honest with you. But I am so excited that I now can, and we'll get into it more. But look at that bottle. It's like an ombre red, orange, yellow, gold. It's so beautiful, the bottle of Peach Arum. But I am so excited to get into this deliciousness for this season. I don't feel like it's too heavy. Like for fall, I feel like it just fits just right. I mean, my mom just made a peach cobbler pie the other day, and I was like, Peach Arum is what I need to be wearing right now. So glad it's September, and so glad I have her on my tray. Next up, I have Gabrielle Chanel. Gabrielle, ooh, she back. She back on my tray. Yay, yay. I love it. It's like citrus. We got peach. We got red fruits. Black currant is in this. I believe there's like several white florals like tuberose, jasmine, orange blossom. We have musk, we have sandalwood. There are so many different notes, and I love it, especially for a transitional fall season, because it gives you like white floral, which is kind of like, in my kind of mind, gives me like summer, spring with the white florals. But it gives you that, but it also gives you this warm, beautiful, classy type of fragrance. I am excited. And then we have another kind of soft, spicy citrus fragrance, which is Ebony Woods, right? A foundation all in itself, a popular girl in its own right, even though it's a Zara brand, still popular nonetheless. So Ebony Woods, so glad to have her back on my tray. We have coffee in this, pink pepper, grapefruit, patchouli, and I don't often, I like warm, spicy, soft, spicy, that type of thing when I'm going through transitional fragrances. Not often a lot of coffee notes, but this one is so good. It's like classic fall, no matter what. Like, I don't care that it has coffee in it. I don't care that Ebony Woods has coffee in it. It just is so good, and it's like a soft note, right? So it's not this heavy coffee note or coffee beans. It is so clean and warm. I enjoy both of them, so I'm so excited to have them on this transitional tray. Next up, we have a movement by myself, okay? Type of fragrance. She is a movement by herself. That is Velvet Tonka from BDK. So good when I talk about like almond and amber and nutty and fruity and vanilla. This is what comes to my mind of what I want on my tray. The almond is just like the star of the show, of course, but you also have that tobacco that's not too much. It's not a turnoff, okay? You have bourbon vanilla. We have tonka bean, of course, because tonka is in it. It is so good. A nutty, beautiful, beautiful fall fragrance to me. Like, I love this during like my heavy winter season as well. But this is a good transition because it's not too heavy of a fragrance where I could not, for the end or the last of the summer or the warm seasons that we have, like I would be turned off by wearing this. No, so good, so fire, okay? Fire. I love a good Velvet Tonka from BDK. I am so excited that this is on my tray. Next up, is anybody like me and enjoy, well, some of you all might like all season, but if you're like me and enjoy working out when it's cooler, when there's a breeze, like the fall season, I love working out like during that type of weather. Like I am not your gym girly that is like, yeah, put me in the gym during the summertime. Yeah, let me get my body right. No, I'm not her. It's a struggle for me to like get my body right in the summer. Probably the one thing I focus on for the summer with my body is like I go on like maybe a diet, maybe take out sugars and all that kind of stuff. Just go on a real clean girl diet. But like working out, which I need to change, but working out in the summer is not my jam. Okay. So when I get it in, it's the fall season when I start to like feel breezy and come out like that. That's my type of workout weather. Okay. So now I'm a gym girly for the season. So I have to put on my Clean Reserve Skin and my Juliet Has a Gun, Not a Perfume Superdose. These are both great gym scents, clean scents, fresh girl scents. Like this is definitely like sweat proof. Okay. Sweat proof. Like if you want to smell good after sweating, get these fragrances. Point blank. I love them down. Oh, you all, I'm so happy. So yes, I'm going to get in these classes, get in these bar classes, get my walk on, you know, in between lunches and stuff. Yeah, they back. But yes, I would highly recommend if you're looking for a good gym scent or to get back on that grind, sis, like me, go ahead, get Juliet Has a Gun, Not a Perfume Superdose, or Clean Reserve Skin, or both. Okay, or both. Tomato, okay? Love them down. These are your skin, but absolutely better. Next up, I told you she was going to be on my tray. Okay, we have Noir Rose. Okay, Musk Noir Rose from Narciso Rodriguez. This is your fruity musk rose sweet fragrance. I just did a video about rose because again, me and my friend were having this conversation about rose, and like this should have been a part of that list 10 times over. Like there's so many foundational rose fragrances that you can, but I would say this might not be a beginner rose fragrance in my opinion, right? So this has plum, pink pepper, musk, rose, tuberose, vanilla. Although it is beautiful and good, it's dark. It's a good dark rose, but it's so uber good. It's so uber good. If you're into fragrances, this is your dark, sexy rose, okay? Fragrance type of scent. You can wear this date night. Like, I would even wear it to brunch. Actually, I wouldn't care what I would wear it to. It's that good. I love it down, as you can see by the dent. She is, and you all know I don't put no dents in anything. So when you see them, you like, yeah, She be giving that a time or two or 20 type of love. So glad to have her back on my tray so I can wear her 100 times down. You know, that was Team Too Much. I mean, it was very much drama, but I will be wearing her a lot, okay? Next up, another bye-bye, so long, farewell type of fragrance that I will be leaving. I will be leaving in the summer, but I wanted to put this on my tray so I can get my wears. Because I won't be wearing her as much as I go into the fall season. And yeah, I'm ready to do fall now. But if you are into like white floral, like when I talk about white floral, I mean like orange blossom, tear flower, jasmine, neroli. If you're into that type of like profile, there is like orange, you know, there's a mandarin orange in here, so it gives it the fruit. We have vanilla, sandalwood, and coconut is in there as well. So we have some other balances for the white floral, but if you are into white floral fragrances, this is so good. I love Daydream. It is fresh. It is clean. I love it. Citrus, powdery, coconut. Yeah. Love it down. I'm going to miss her, but definitely want to put her on my tray so I can do some pairing, because this is also a great pair with some of your stronger fall fragrances. So she might be on the sideline. I might have to pick her up a time or two and kind of pair her with something, but we'll see. You know, she might be, baby might be in the corner because I be just talking that talk sometimes, and I be so into my fall fragrances. I don't even be thinking about white florals, to be honest with you. Yeah. But I am so happy that I will get my last hurrah with this baby girl from Montal, Daydreams. And last but certainly not least, two of my baby favorites. And I'm the baby. I'm sorry. Two of my favorites. Two of my favorite fragrances, Silky Woods from Goldfield and Banks. You all know, like, if you like a good vanilla, warm, spicy, leather, woody type of fragrance, look no further. It has saffron. We have cinnamon in this. Like, it is so beautiful. I will talk about this all day, every day. You'll probably see this on several top fives because that's just how much I love it. Okay, I love both of these. And then we have the House of Beau Boom Bond. Now listen, you talk about a clean gourmand beauty. Like, I can sing love songs to these fragrances like all day. Boom Bond, I cannot wait. I am going to get a bigger bottle. As soon as I am out of this, I'm going to get a bigger bottle. Hands down, whatever, I don't care. I'm going to get a full bottle or a bigger bottle because this is a full bottle, but I'm going to get a larger bottle. Anyway, this also has saffron in it. We also have kind of like a cinnamon spiciness in this, but caramel. We have marshmallow, cognacs in this, pink pepper. When I say Boom Bond be given, and I do know I've seen it, it's on Scentbird. So those that have Scentbird subscription and you want to test and try it and see if you like it or don't, add that to your list. I mean, man, it's so good. It's so good. It's so good. They're both so good, and I am going to get my life on my tray. I am so excited. I mean, I look at my tray and I smile. Looking at these fragrances, I smile every day. I know I'm going to have a good day. So these I would highly recommend. If you do not have in your collection, pick it up, sis. Okay? Well, that's all, fam, for my September transitional fragrance tray. What are you pulling out for the month of September? I want to know. Do I have some goodies on this tray? What are your thoughts on the tray? Comment down below. Make sure that you subscribe. Give me the thumbs up if you enjoyed this content. And make sure you're good to yourself. Give yourself some grace. And if no one has told you that you are more than enough, yeah, your sis just did. Bye, fam. I love you so much. Bye.